I think there's a lot of things that have made a deep impression on me, but one of the number one things has been the classes on like emotional healing and the importance of the mind and how it affects our bodies, our physical bodies. And so just knowing and understanding the steps on how to heal emotionally has been a huge blessing to me and has been something that I've really needed for a long time. There's so many things that have been a blessing. I think that just being here in the fresh air and enjoying the beautiful surroundings, the lovely staff, and just the quiet and the peace has been such a blessing. And it's also encouraging to go through the different classes and information just so that I can not only live those principles out in my life, but take them home with me and share them with others. My overall experience here at Red River has been a really good one. It's been a bit of a reset for me, just to kind of give me the care and support that I needed to get my health back on track. I would recommend Red River to anyone else who's looking for a change, and if they're needing any kind of physical, mental, or spiritual upliftment, I would definitely recommend it to them.